Here's an A cell that was presumably dead. It is producing chlorine. Before I stuck it in here, I soaked it in vinegar for about 20 minutes to see if there's any scaling in it. And I could actually see through a little bit through the holes and saw daylight at the other end. But the reason this cell, which is pretty much, I think, at the end of its life, the reason it came up as dead is because the amp reading, as you can see this, it says 0.47. It needs to be a 0.5 minimum to register correctly on the ACE system. So, like I said, the cell, even though it got it working on a power supply on the ACE control panel, will either register like low salt or call dealer.